Hello guys, welcome to the info channel. Today in this video I will talk about the top 20 online stock broker and the trading platform in the United Arab Emirates. Please keep in mind that investing in the stock is riskier than you think. The information contained in this video is only provided for the information or the educational purpose only. Before making any investment decision, you should get the professional guidance and do more research on your own. This channel does not make any investment recommendation to use this platform. So don't jump into the conclusion depending on this video. Do your own research before you invest. I will not talk about the local broker company that have listed in DFM, Dubai Financial Market, ADX, Abu Dhabi Security Exchange and Nasdaq Dubai. As the technology evolving in 21st century, trading from any part of the world has become the most easier than previously. Using the broker app on your smartphone or trading management system on your computer can invest into any financial market in the world. Not only this, but also make payment globally has become the task of your fingertips. Before jumping into the list of the online broker company that are available in the UAE to invest in the global stock, forex and commodity market, I want to talk about some important points that may help you to make investment decision in the UAE. Number 1, can I invest in global stock market from the UAE? Yes, you can invest in the global stock market from the UAE through any trading platform. What is the first step to start investing in the global stock market? You need to open an account on the trading platform to start investing. How to add money in the broker account? You can add it with your UAE debit and credit card. Can I invest in any company stock of my choice? Yes, but check the company history because you may not know about the company or the firm which is not existing in the UAE or in your country. Is online trading legal in the UAE? Yes, online trading is legal in the United Arab Emirates. Now let's talk about the best online stock broker and the trading platform that are available in the UAE for global stock market. Number 1, interactive broker. 2, TradeStation. 3, eToro. 4, Swissquote. 5, plus 500. 6, Pepperstone. 7, Oanda. Number 8, XTV. Number 9, easyMarkets. 10, Trading 212. 11, FP Market. 12, XM. 13, AvaTrade. 14, Forex.com. 15, City Index. 16, HYCM. 17, FXPRIMUS. 18, easyMarkets. 19, ThinkMarkets. 20, RoboForex. Thank you guys for watching the video. If you want to learn more detail about this individual 20 platform, you can visit our website www.golftips.com. If you are the new for this channel, please don't forget to subscribe our channel because you will get the notifications when I upload the new video just like this in future.